Welcome! Today I'll show you how to make a soft spiced pumpkin roll with cream cheese filling, step by step. A perfect fall dessert that's impressive, yet easy. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 3 large eggs, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2/3 of a cup canned pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the dry mix, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon ground nutmeg, half a teaspoon salt, and for the filling, 8 ounces cream cheese, softened, 2 cups powdered sugar, half a teaspoon vanilla extract. Take a moment to measure everything out before you begin. It makes the process smoother. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Line a 15 by 10 inches baking pan with parchment paper and lightly spray or grease it. We're ready to mix. In a mixing bowl, beat the 3 eggs and 1 cup granulated sugar on medium-high for about 3 to 5 minutes until pale and slightly thickened. Then, add 2/3 of a cup pumpkin puree and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and mix until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, and half a teaspoon salt. Then gently fold or stir the dry mixture into your wet mixture until just blended. Don't overmix. Pour the batter into your prepared pan and spread it evenly. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. The edges should pull away slightly from the pan. While the cake is baking, lay out a clean kitchen towel and generously dust it with powdered sugar. When the cake is done, immediately invert it onto the sugared towel, peel off the parchment, and roll the cake up in the towel, starting from the short end. Let it cool completely in this rolled position. For the filling, beat 8 ounces softened cream cheese with 2 cups powdered sugar and half a teaspoon vanilla extract until smooth and creamy. Make sure there are no lumps. Unroll the cooled cake gently. Spread the cream cheese filling evenly over the surface, leaving a small margin at the edges. Then, re-roll the cake, this time without the towel. Wrap tightly in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour before slicing and serving. When you're ready, slice the pumpkin roll into half-inch slices, about 1.5 centimeters. Here are a few tips. You can bake a day in advance and chill overnight. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. To freeze, wrap tightly and freeze up to 3 months. Using gluten-free flour is possible. Texture may vary. To check doneness, use the toothpick test or look for edges pulling away from the pan. There you have it, a beautiful, delicious pumpkin roll that's sure to impress. Enjoy it with coffee, tea, or as a show-stopping dessert at any gathering. Be sure to check out this video for more.